She says, I want to take a look at the rest of them and come back and talk to you again with better questions. Mm-hmm. I thought that was cool the way she was assessing that.
Yeah, she rocked her session.
Yeah, she did. And boy, I got to tell you, at the very beginning of it, she was highly distraught.
Yeah, I would be too.
And to see her change from highly distraught to happy to reassess beliefs and to feel and to choose to believe and feel that her mom is around her, but in a different form, was really remarkable to see.
Which, by the way, is an understatement, because if you go back to the original conversation that you heard at your table when mom was just sitting in your chair, you heard the daughter say, I don't want to live without you. Mm-hmm. That's not just remarkable. That's life and death for some people.
Yes. Yeah, that's true.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.